Okay. So now, let's proceed on how to convert a fraction to decimal. Okay. So what operation that we gonna use if we need to convert a fraction to decimal? What operation? Multiply, plus, or division? Multiply, plus, or division to convert. So we can use a division method. Okay? Divide. To convert a fraction to decimal. So 1/2. What is the decimal form for 1/2? 1/2. 1/2. 0. Very good. 0.05. Okay, so those are a terminating. So this time, we're gonna learn how to convert a fraction to a terminating decimal. So what is terminating again? Terminating is a decimal that ends. Okay? No repeating, no continue. That ends. Terminating. Okay, repeat after me. Terminating. Terminating. Okay. So, terminating decimal, these are the decimal that ends. Okay, so 1/2. So, like what I said, in doing, changing a fraction to decimal, is just divide. Okay, let's say we have 1/2. Okay, so convert. So, 1 divide to 2. Okay, so in this case, can it be 0? Point. Okay, the important thing is you need to align. Okay, align the decimal. So, we have 10. So, x 0.5. Divide. Okay? How about number 2? 3/4. 3/4. What is the decimal for 3/4? 3/4. 3/4. Huh? What is the answer? 3/4. 1.52. The answer is 0.75. Why? Let's divide again. So as you can see, 3/4. So we have 3 divide to 4. Okay? And 3 divide to 4, can it be? So add 0. Okay? So add 0. So we have 30. Oh, 30. 30 divided by 4, we have 7. So we have 28. And then 2, add 0 again. So 20 divided by 4, we have 5. 20, that's why 0.75. Division method. Understand? Okay. How about 7/5? What is the answer? 1.4. Very good. How about 9/20? So like what I said, are you still remember about the place value? 0.123. This is tenths. This is hundreds. Thousands. Okay. So we have 20, right? So 9/20. We can also do a multiplication. Okay? So times 5 times 5. So we have 45/100. So what is the answer? 0.45. Okay? So we can also do that to make it 100. Okay? Based on the place value. 1/4. What is the answer? 0. Very good. 0.25. Okay, understand? Understand? So you just do a division. Okay. So now, how about recurring? So in recurring or repeating decimal, this is like 1.3333, 0.4444, extend and extend. That is recurring decimal. Okay, repeat after me. Ring. Recurring. Okay, so recurring decimal that repeat extendedly. Okay, so we have 1/3. So we can also do this as a division. Okay, so you can identify that is recurring. So 1/3, so we have this one. So 10 divide, we have 1, and then minus, and then 10 divided by 3 is also 3. 3 times 3, 9. Okay, and then extend, extend. So we have 0.3 recurring. Okay? You can use a dot. You can also use a line. It's same. Okay? So in the recurring, the symbol line bar and the dot, that is represent that number is repeating. Okay? How about this? So 1/6. So in 1/6, you just divide it also. So add 0. So 10 divided to 6 is 1. And then 1 times 6, and then minus 4. So we have 4. And then add 0. 40 divided to 6, 6. So 6 times 6, 36. Minus again, we have 4 again. And then extend and extend. So what is the answer? 0. And what number is repeating? Only 6. So that's why we only put this in the 6. Okay? Because only 6 is recurring or repeating number. Understand? So 0.166666. Okay. So as you can see, you notice that we have 3, 6, and what is next? We have 9. Okay? So what is the value of 9? So again, division, we have 0.111111. Okay? So just remember guys, so we have 1/9 is equal to 0.1 recurring, and 1/3 is 0.3 recurring, and 1.6 is 0.16 recurring. Okay? Those are the numbers you need to remember. Understand? So I'll show you the patterns to remember. So 2/9, what is the answer? 0.2. Okay, so therefore we have 0.2. That's the pattern because we only have 9. That indicates that the fraction is a recurring. Okay, how about this? 0.7. Okay, very good. 0.7 because over 9 again. Based on the place value, right? 9. If we have 299, we have in the hundreds place. How about this? 2.5. Okay, very good. And 2.5 is our recurring or repeating. Okay, next. How about this? 0. Okay, 0.17 recurring. Next, how about this? Okay, 0.247 recurring. All of the three numbers is recurring, okay? And then 2/3. You don't know na. So, we have 2 and 3. So, like what I said, the 999, right? So, just multiply to make it 9. Okay? So, 3 and 3. We have 6/9. So, what is the answer? Okay, very good. 0.6 recurring. Okay, how about this? 3 point. Okay, very good. So 3.3 recurring. And the last one, 17. So 17, 3, 3. You can multiply by 3, right? So we have 9. 9 over? We have? What? The answer is 0.51. So, 17 times 3, 51. And then this one, you can convert into a recurring. Understand? Easy? No? So, over 9, 99 and 999. Okay, I'll give you another example. How about this? 99. 0. Okay, 0.27 recurring. How about this? 0. Okay, 0.09. Because we multiply by 9, right? So it equivalent to 99. And if we have 2-digit, the recurring, so we have 0.9. Okay? Next, how about this? We have, okay, very good, 0.18. This one, you just add 0. 0.00. 00? Okay, very good. So you just add 0, okay? If you have a 990. Okay, next we have this. 2990. 0 point. Okay, 002. Okay. All right, understand? Understand? Okay, now how about if we need to change a decimal to fraction? Decimal or recurring decimal to fraction. Okay, converting. Wait a minute. This one. 4 over? No. This is not a recurring. This is terminating. 4 over 10. And that is, how about this? 8 over 10 or simplify 4 over 5? 25. 0.25. Okay, 25 over 100. So this is terminating. Okay? How about if we talk about recurring decimal to fraction? Okay, copy, please. So we just do a vice versa. So earlier we talked about how to change a recurring or the fraction to recurring, and then fraction to terminating. So this time we talk about on how to convert a recurring decimal to fraction. Okay? Finish? Okay. All right. So let's have an example. Okay, so we need to convert a 0.44444 or 4 recurring, only one recurring. What is the answer? 4 over? 4 over? 9. Very good. But I'll show you how to solve it with the solution. Okay? So the answer is 4 over 9. But we need to do with the solution. So as you can see, how many digit that we have with the recurring? Only one, right? 4. Only 4 is repeating. So therefore, let x for 0.4 recurring. Since we have one digit, so we only have multiply to 10. If only one, 10. Okay? So therefore, we have 0.4 recurring multiply to 10. What's the answer? 4.4444444 because 4 is recurring, right? So therefore, we have 10x and then 4.4. We multiply by 10. Now, x is 0.4. Align. Okay? Now, minus 10x minus x. The answer is 9. Okay? And then, this one, align, cross out, so we have only 4. That's why the answer is 4 over 9. Understand? Okay. Remember, if one number only, multiply by 10. Okay? All right. Another example. How about if we have two-digit that recurring? Okay? So as you can see, let x now 0.83, since we have two recurring, that is multiply to 100. Okay? All right, so we have 100x. And then 83.83. Okay? And x copy. So we have this. So minus. So therefore, the answer is 83 over 99. Understand? Understand? Okay. So copy the example, please. So you have a guide. Just remember, 1 digit recurring times 10. 2 recurring times 100. But if we have 3 recurring number, times what? 1,000. Okay? Multiply to 1,000. So just remember, this one is a multiply by 10. Just move. One move. Okay? One move. So 4.4. If we have a times 100, 2 movement. Okay? If we have 3 movement. Alright? So movement na, the decimal. Okay, finish? Finish copy? Okay. How about this? We have 3. So like what I said, 3 movement. So, or multiply by 1,000. Okay? So therefore, we have this. Cancel out. So the answer is, we have 411 over 999. Understand? Understand? Yeah. Okay. Another example. We can simplify also. I forgot. So you can simplify your answer. So we have 137. Just divide both sides. Okay? Lowest term. We call it a lowest term. All right. Another. How about this? 0.37777. Okay. How to do that? Multiply by what? Multiply by 10 or 100? Yeah, I know 90. But multiply to what? 10 or 100? Multiply by what? 10 or 100? 100? We only have 7. 7 is only one digit. Okay, 7 is recurring. Only 7, okay? That repeat. So therefore, multiply by 10. Okay. So therefore, we have 3.77777 and align it. So we have, as you can see, 0.043. So we have a 34 over 9, but not finish. We need to move this one and add 0. That's why the answer is over 90. Okay, so the answer is 34 over 90. Or we can simplify it, 17 over 45. That's why 90. Okay? Understand? Why? What happened? This one, oh, 0, 0. 7 minus 3 is 4. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So we have 3.4. So we have this. We need to move to get the whole number. And add 0, we have this. So we have 34 over 90. And the lowest term or simplify answer is 17 over 45. Understand? Understand? Yeah. Sure? Okay, can you try this? Try. So, we have 0.454545. 2 recurring, so that is multiplied to 100. Okay, do now. I'll give you 5 minutes. And let's find the answer. So, multiply to 100 because we have 2 recurring, 2 repeating number. And lowest term, okay? Get the simplify answer or lowest term. Two-digit recurring pattern. So we multiply this expression by 100. Two minutes. Very important that you need to align the decimal. Align. Align. Align the decimal. Oh, another 2 minutes. Another 2 minutes. Only one number, ah. One problem only. E. Simplify your answer. Lowest term. Lowest term. Lowest term. You can divide both sides of any number. Okay? Finish? Finish? Okay. Let's check. So like what I said, we have two digit that recurring. So multiply to 100. So this is should be the format. So 101.45 recurring. And then we have this. Okay, just copy. So as you can see, this one. Align. Okay? Align. Align. So we have 5 minus 1, we have 4, and then 4, and then 1 minus 1, we could have 0, 0, 1. Okay, divide both side by 99. But we need to have a whole number move to decimal places, so we have this. And we can simplify. Divide both side by 4. Ay. Okay, so we have this. And simplify again. We can have this. 275. 279 and 275. Simplify or lowest term. Okay? Understand? Understand ha? Activity? Ready? Okay. Calm down, calm down. Copy the answer. So you have a guide later for your activity. 271. Wait. Okay? So this is 100, right? So you only have two movement. One, two. So that's why. Then align. Align the decimal. Two movement. Okay. Activity. Activity. Discussion. Activity. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Okay. Wait. What is the answer? 4 over 7? This one. 2 and 5 over 9. How about this? 31 over 99. How about this? 8 over 99. How about this? And 37. This. Next. $999. 990. We have 0. Next. 3 and Okay. Activity. So 1 to 6, this is conversion of a fraction. And 7 to 10, that is conversion for decimal. Show your solution, ha? In 1 to 6, the solution. Multiply by 10, multiply by 100, or multiply by 1,000. The process. So again, 1 to 6 with the solution that you need to multiply by 10, 100, and 1,000, right? 1 point for the solution, 1 point for the answer. Okay. And 7, 8, 9, 10, just answer. Okay? So again, this is 2 points, and this one is 1 point. That's why you need the solution. If no solution, no points. Just one. Again, 1 to 6 is 2 points. Okay? If no solution, just one. Finish? Okay, finish? All right. Okay. Time's up. We will check it next meeting, next week. Okay? All right, that is your homework. All right, homework. All right, stand up, everyone. Okay, so that's it for today, and goodbye.